Expedition is an investment firm. We have around $1 billion in assets under management, and we invest in high growth technology companies across Europe and growing into the US also.
I'm Jenny, I'm the head of office. That means I do a bit of everything at Expedition.
To ThreatSpike, we had an external MSP for our core IT, and we also had a number of point solutions for different areas of our cybersecurity, including email and other areas. Security and IT in general is critically important to us. We are a regulated firm. We have a lot of compliance requirements, but also operational complexity. We have a transatlantic footprint, and our team is constantly traveling. Not to mention using the latest AI tools that emerge every week. And so having a provider that can keep up with us and give us full coverage is critically important. We had a specific incident where our external website and some internal IT resources went down over a weekend. That was really a light bulb moment for us that, okay, we're paying for a number of different providers, but actually not getting what we needed for our operational resilience.
Really stressful, it was really hard work on top of a situation that is actually just stressful. Not knowing what's happened to your IT is terrifying. You don't want it on a weekend, and you definitely want to be able to have the information you need in one place when that happens.
We looked across the market at a number of different IT and security firms. And what stood out for us with ThreatSpike, which felt quite different, was that it was a holistic offering. So everything from IT management through to quite advanced detection and response capabilities. We are in the investment business, we're not in the IT business. And for us, the fact that ThreatSpike is a managed offering where it's based on a platform, but actually there are ThreatSpike experts constantly monitoring and helping us to deliver our IT needs is the right solution for us.
I am the IT team at Expedition. I don't have a technical background, so having the ThreatSpike team as the extension of our IT department has been wonderful. They are proactive in their approach, so will come to me with recommendations and implementations that I haven't thought of yet, or alternatively, as soon as I make a request, ask any questions, put any feedback in, I get a response as if they're reporting it to me.
The ThreatSpike platform has detected members of our team using these tools, but inputting certain sensitive or PII into those solutions. And so the fact that ThreatSpike can instantly alert us on those, in addition to all the other more baseline security needs, has been very welcome.
Our IT costs have reduced by 38% since moving to ThreatSpike. A large part of this came from the fact that we were using a main MSP with multiple other vendors to support them. So there's a reduced admin cost on the provider side, but also a time saved cost. Expedition is massive, so we're a small team. These processes used to take hours. It now takes minutes because the information is readily accessible on the ThreatSpike reporting tool.
So we've already recommended ThreatSpike to peers in the industry because we think they're bringing a special combination of things. Firstly, it's a single unified partner that can take all of our IT and security needs and manage them to an expert level. The second thing is the technological capability of the ThreatSpike platform keeps us ahead of the evolving threat landscape. And thirdly, from a pricing and commercial model, the model that ThreatSpike brings is predictable and clear and doesn't come with any unwelcome surprises as we grow.
Somebody in a similar position to me, or as I was, I would highly recommend you go and have that conversation with ThreatSpike. Find out what their team can bring to your team. The expertise, the knowledge, the peace of mind, it's made my job less stressful, so just have that conversation.